ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 50. ವತ್ಸಾಸುರವಧವರ್ಣನಂ ಬಕಾಸುರವಧವರ್ಣನಂ ಚ. ಸ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ವತ್ಸಾಸುರ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಕಾಸುರ. ಭಾಗವತ ಸ್ಕಂದ 10 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 11 verses 37 to 59 form the subject matter of this dashaka. ಶ್ಲೋಕ 1. तरल मधुकृद्वृन्दे वृन्दावनेथ मनोहरे पशुपशिशुभिः साकं वत्सानुपालनलोलुपः हलधर सखो देव श्रीमन्विचेरितधारयन् गवलमुरलीवेत्रं नेत्राभिरामतनुद्युतिः. Word by word meaning. Hey Sriman Deva, O auspicious Lord. Atha, then. Haladhara Sakaha, along with Haladhara Balarama. Netrabhi Rama Tanudyutihi, whose radiant form is delightful to the eyes. Tvam, thou. Tarala Madhu Krud Vrinde, Tarala, flitting about. Madhu Krut, honey bee. Vrindam, swarm, with swarms of honeybees flitting about. Manohare Vrindavane, in beautiful Vrindavana. Vatsanu Palana Lolupaha, Vatsanam, of calves. Anupalane, in tending. Lolupaha, keen, keen on tending calves. Gavala Murali Vetram, horn. Gavala, flute. Murali, and cane. Vetra, Dharayan, carrying. Pashupashi Shubhihi, Sakam, along with cowherd boys. Vicheritha, didst wander about. Full meaning. O auspicious Lord, then thou, whose radiant form is delightful to the eyes, didst wander about along with Balarama and the cowherd boys in beautiful Vrindavana, in which swarms of honeybees were all flitting about, intent on tending calves and carrying a horn, a flute, and a cane. Om Tat Sat.